guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing great. Today I am going to be mixing 100 colors of paint into this giant batch of slime. So I made this giant fluffy slime by using 1 gallon of white Elmer's glue, and then I also added in like 2 bottles of shaving cream. So this is like a lot of slime. But before we begin, I want to give out a huge shout out to this week's notification squad. Thank you so much for your comments. And if you aren't part of the notification squad already, all you have to do is turn on your post notifications by clicking on the bell icon and leave me a comment down below with the hashtag notification squad to be featured in my next video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do enjoy it, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, and let's see if we can get this video to 20,000 thumbs up. If we can do that, that would be like really awesome. And if you would like to stick around for future videos, then don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Before we jump in, pause the video and let me know in the comments down below, what color do you think the slime is gonna be? I think it's going to be brown. I'm like 100% convinced this is going to turn out brown. But yeah, I'm gonna change up the angle now so you guys can get a better view. And without any further ado, let's get started. Alrighty guys, I have my fluffy slime. By the way, I did change the background because the white table and the white slime was getting kind of hard to see on camera. So I'm going to go ahead and start adding in the paints. I am going to be adding them in randomly. I don't know if you guys can tell, but the paint is kind of sinking into the slime. I wasn't really expecting that, but I'm gonna continue on. I think I've added in about like 30 paints so far. So far, I think I have added in about 60 colors. I am a little disappointed that the paint is like sinking into the slime. But yeah, 40 more to go, I think. So let's do it. And for the final color, I am going to be adding in some white. I have added in all 100 colors of paint. Now I'm going to start mixing this together to find out what color this is going to be. Oh my gosh, this looks so pretty. Look at all of those colors. So I feel like the paint just went all the way down, as you can see. But this is so pretty, you guys. There's like a little bit of a rainbow forming over here. This is so heavy. I'm like getting tired of mixing this. And I was right. The slime turned out to be this brown color. I might end up fixing the slime up by adding in like purple or maybe black, but I'm not 100% sure yet. Anyway, that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching. I love you guys, and I will talk to you in my next one.